contractility of the myocardium as a sort of an on-target effect of HER2. I think that's important. But I think overall the regimen was pretty well tolerated, especially as it moved into the maintenance space. So it was definitely a leap forward for us.
Absolutely. I think your point about neuropathy is so critical. I find that oftentimes our discussions regarding when to stop the taxane is both a mix of response and tolerability. And on that same vein, I think thinking about the how robust the response is. So are we achieving a complete response? Are we achieving a partial response? In my experience, it's oftentimes a partial response where we decide to stop partly because we've achieved a response, but also partly because of toxicity. Sure. What has been your experience in terms of response to THP? Have you seen a lot of CRs? I certainly think that this is an opportunity for improvement, but curious in terms of what you're seeing.
Yeah, I think that's part of the